In this video, we'll be learning how to read our measurement tape. Now, we have inches and we have centimeter side of the measurement tape, but I'll be focusing on our inches side. Now, from the start of this iron to the first long line is 1 inch, to the second is 2 inch, to the third 3 inch. So it goes on and on until it gets to 120. Some other tape are just 60, but this is 120. So to understand how to read your tape, you need to understand the value for each column, because the 1 inch is made up of 8 columns. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns. So you need to know the value of each column so that you can understand how to read your tape. And to know the value of the first column, I need to divide 1 by 8. I'll get 0.125. That is the value for the first column, which is this line, and is also called 1/8. So the value for this is 1/8 or 0.125. Then for the second value is either I add another 0.125 to this to get this, or I divide 2 by 8 and I will get 0.25, which is also 1/4. Then I do the same for the next. So I divide 3 divided by 8, I will get 0.375, or it's called 3/8. So it's either 0.375 or 3/8. Then the fourth one, divide 4 by 8, I'll get 0.5, which is also half of an inch. So this is 0.5. Then I divide the fifth one, which is 5 divided by 8, I will get 0.625, and it's also called 5/8. Then the next one, I divide 6 by 8, I will get 0.75, and it's also called 3/4. So this is 1/4, this is 2/4, and this is 3/4. So that's how you know it. Then for the seventh one, I'll divide 7 by 8, I will get 0.875, and it's also called 7/8. Then if I divide 8 by 8, I will get 1. So from this point to this point is 1 inch. And we'll be able to understand each column, what it represents. So when you measure, for example, you measure maybe 5/3/8, so that you know exactly where it represents on the tape. So it's just after the 1/4 inch mark. So you understand. So whatever value you get, or you get 5.375, you know where to locate it on the tape roll. So I believe with this video you'll be able to understand how to use your tape properly, because when you measure and you divide with your calculator, you get smaller decimal points there. You need to understand where they are located on the tape roll. So, and this is not a one-off knowledge, you need to really understand it. But I believe what you already know is 1/4, half, 3/4, and 1 inch. So the in-betweens, you need to understand them, and so that you can use your tape properly. Thank you for watching.